Now that our basic module is in place with the folders and files, we need to talk a little bit about what those configuration files do and how Zend will use those to load our new module. When the Zend module manager loads the module, it expects to find a module.php file in the root of the module. The module manager will then automatically call the getAutoLoaderConfig and getConfig methods. These two methods are the entry point into bootstrapping your module. You can configure how your module is loaded starting here. To finish the config aspect of our module, we'll be using the autoload class map file that the getAutoLoaderConfig method will utilize. This autoload file tells Zend how to load and bootstrap classes inside of this module. So for development, we can just return a blank array which uses the Zend standard autoloader. And so this should be appropriate for most of your Zend development, and as you get into more complex needs, you can deal with that at that point. We'll also utilize the module.config.php file that the getConfig method will call. The config file sets up your basic model view controller components like controllers and views and registers them so that the Zend service manager knows about them and where to find them. We'll hold off on adding the controller stuff until we get into that in the next section of this course. So this is kind of a rough overview flow of how Zend bootstraps a module. Let's go ahead and fill in those files and test it out.